people. So I might be looking a little dead in my videos because till 2 in the night. Yeah, but it was like I watched this particular show called Rab Rab Se Sona Ishq. Now, you must be wondering what is wrong with me that I'm sitting and watching um, serials that have been shot in Punjab, and basically it gives you a peek into life in rural Punjab. So, I think on that basis alone, it's like we don't see such shows often, and it's on Netflix. It's called Rab Se Sona Ishq. That's the title, and apparently it has 80 episodes, but I saw only 4 episodes. So, yeah. Yeah, but I have to say that it's a very I mean, like it's almost like it's very believable, like in terms of your life in at in a village would be mostly about marriages and about finding the right guy, and especially in a place like Punjab, going to London and probably Canada is like very aspirational, like it is in the cities, but at the village level there are these crooks who vanish with these agents who vanish with money and all. So that way this particular show has a lot of layers, so but people do try and check it out. Rab Se Sona Ishq, and it will give you a peek into life in rural Punjab. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.